everyone, welcome back to Whiskey Racing. Today I got the Hellcat behind me with the trunk up, and once again it doesn't want to start. I think the battery's on its way out, which is kind of disappointing. We've had the car for about a little over 4 years. I guess it's 5 years old. It was a leftover when we bought it, so yeah, 5 years out of a battery. They don't last like they used to. All right, so your trunk's open. That's what you have. You have your air compressor. It comes with spare tire jacks in there, and then of course your battery's over here. First thing you want to do is take this positive cap off. Something like that. There's your positive terminal, negative terminal. We're going to take them off first. After you get the terminals disconnected, straight down there's like a hold down clamp. That's also a 10. After you take that 10mm bolt out, go ahead and pull the hold down bracket up. Moving back to the front of the battery on the positive side, there's a little vent tube here. You're going to want to pull that out. So once you can get your hand back there, it just kind of wiggles right out, and leave that here. And then on this side of the battery, there's a strap too, which is kind of, I don't know, surprising. It's just a little like pull strap. Looks like something I used to pass tech when I was 16, but you know, it works. Once you do all that, your battery should come right out. Oh, yeah, right out. There it is. All right, so here's what we're putting in there. It's an AGM. I got this in my local Fisher Auto Parts store. Should be reverse of what we took it out, so let's put her in. So that's sitting in there. Don't be the guy they make a meme about. Take your terminal covers off. All right, so you got your little strap here. That hooks right there, and then you just pull it tight. So we got that hooked on, pulled tight. Next thing we're gonna do is hook our vent up, which goes right there. All right, vent tube's in. After you do that, you put your clamp back in place, put your 10mm bolt back in. All right, so we got that bolt in and tightened up. Next thing we're gonna do is hook up our terminals. Positive first, tighten that down, then we'll do the negative. Positives tightened down, put the negative on. The trunk light came on, so I hope that's a good sign. Let's tighten this up and see if she fires. Last thing, don't forget to put your terminal cover back on. Snaps into place, and we should be good to go. All right, we'll see if she starts. I've heard some horror stories about Uconnect and just the radio losing presets and just being funny for a couple drive cycles after putting new battery in. Well, that's a good start. Don't mind if the car's dirty. I haven't cleaned it up from sitting all winter. Don't have any funky lights on or anything. That definitely looks different though. The background, I used to have a drag tree with the Challenger. It did pick up my phone. I don't know what it's playing. I'll turn the volume down so YouTube don't kick me for copyright. Alright, so this is what the radio looks like. I'm not sure why everything's blue. One thing I did notice, if I go to controls, it's only listing the heated seat for the driver, not the passenger. I click on media, hit Bluetooth. It says Bluetooth, but it's still saying that. I don't know, it's paired to my phone. It wasn't just playing. Yeah, see if I turn the volume up, it works. There's a little sound there. I don't know, we're gonna drive it and see if it straightens itself out. So it is being a little weird. Put it in reverse. No backup camera. Took it out for gas, let's see what happens. It starts nicely, but it's still got that screen. All right, so we're gonna attempt a soft reset here. Tune and volume down for 10 to 20 seconds. And you let it go, it goes black, but just comes right back. All right, so at this point, I'm just gonna give it some time. I gotta go to work, but we're gonna see if this resets. It's Thursday, I'll come back here this weekend. Maybe with it sitting and having, you know, full battery, it'll be fine, I hope. Who knows? All right, so it's Saturday. I put that battery in on Thursday. Car sat in the garage the last couple days, came back, Uconnect back to normal. The only thing I think I lost is my background with the drag tree, but if I go to controls, heated seats back for the passenger side. put in reverse, got a backup cam, so we're good to go. All right, so it's going to wrap up our video on the battery change in the Hellcat. Apparently just have to be a little patient, give it a day or two, Uconnect will come back to normal. So just keep that in mind. As always, thanks for tuning in. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and maybe I'll see you at the drag strip. It's springtime in PA, and it's about time to get out and do a little drag racing. Later.